Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Lens of Truth, with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's special video, I have a drawing of Wolverine. And I wanted to do this because I drew this a while back, actually on my art channel, and I never edited into a full-on video. And because the Marvel beat-em-up game is already out, Marvel Cosmic Invasion, this one ties in very well with that. So, if you haven't already done so, consider hitting that like button, ringing that bell, turn on those notifications, and consider being a member for more of these types of videos. And let's get to it. Alright, so I created this on my iPad Pro with my Apple Pencil 2. I found a really cool pose for Wolverine. It's him jumping with his hand extended forward and one towards his back. So this kind of action pose shows the jumping ability that he has, because he is a very savage type of a fighter. If you guys have seen him in the animated series and the Marvel vs. Capcom games. So one of my methods that I like to use to draw the initial action pose is a pencil brush, but colored in blue. And sometimes I turn down the opacity on the paper, on the layer itself, or the actual brush. But either way is the same. I work in layers. I started off in blue, and because I actually nailed the sketch initially, I went for it and I just changed it back to a pencil color, which was more of a dark black or a gray. So this time lapse does show my entire process from initial sketch to the coloring process. So this is one of my techniques that I wanted to use for this particular one, was coloring everything out as a shape. So I wanted to see and block in those primary colors that Wolverine has, which is predominantly yellow, black, and blue. So in one layer I used the colors, and another layer I used the black. And one of the styles that I went for was the comic book look. So I chose a brush that kinda had that look, and I used an ink pen marker. And again, I varied the size, width, and the length. So as I put in some pressure, it kind of made some of the lines thicker or thinner. And I went all the way around Wolverine's body. And one of the things that I changed was making those claws bend forward, because that's what happens with proportions and getting closer towards the camera view. So this one was a little bit more dynamic. And I played around with the pose just a little bit. I exaggerated some of the parts of his boots that point out, and even exaggerated some of his proportions as well, like his leg and hand. I followed up with some of the highlights of light blue, even on the boots, because if I were to just use black in those boots, it would look too flat. So I added some dark blue in there, some blue highlights in his costume, same thing in the mask. And as for the yellow, I went in with different oranges as well, because yellow again would be too flat. So I added a dark, almost like a brownish orange, to put in those highlighted colors in a different layer. And that really kind of accentuated his muscles that he has, because he is ripped. I used a more of a white yellow for those highlights. I colored in his tongue, also different shades of brown for his skin. And one of my signature styles that I like to do are these little these hatching lines that go in a vertical way, just to kind of emphasize a bit of a shadow and to give it that sketchy look. And this is what I normally use when I'm actually using traditional ink pens as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this digital painting of Wolverine, and stay tuned for Storm. So, what did you think of my video? What do you think of this drawing? Should I do more of these? Comment down below, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.